It tells you which belt to look to. Come on. That's nice. Let's go. Thank you. The baggage claim is to the right. It's very nice when there's no people. It's 1:30 a.m. in the morning. An exchange booth right here, but I think you should keep going because it's usually less when you get past this place. So when you get here, you have 4 options. You're either from Jordan, you have a visa already and a diplomat, or you're going to purchase a visa. So we are going to go past this. Here we got one. And then you go to visa holders. Downstairs. Baggage claim number 5. Okay, so correction on which line you need to be in. You're not a visa holder yet, which I was mistaken, but the Jordan Pass enables you to go and buy the visa then. It just saves you having to go get cash if you don't have Jordanian dollars on you, because you can pay for US dollars prior to departure. So that's the savings in that regard, but it is the same line that you get into if you need to buy a visa. They just need to see that and then stamp your passport. Now it could be due to the time of night or early morning because it's 1:30 a.m. here, but it was super easy. It was a quick process. The line was pretty quick. It did help that we were in business class, so we're pretty much the first off the plane, so that helps getting to the line first and getting it quicker. So I don't know during the day if it is a lot slower, because there's definitely, you know, a queue for, there could be long lines, but either way, go to the place that says get the visa, even if you have a Jordan pass already. We are still waiting. Though our bags did have priority on them, we have 3, but we're still waiting for 1 more. Still a bunch of people waiting, so it's not like we're the only ones. This was a little bit of chaos going on trying to get these bags. We had 1 bag missing. And you gotta come here to this place where they do a security check, and then you get your bags. So we have finally made it out of the airport, and we have been picked up by our driver. It is now about 2 a.m. So we are now headed to the car, but we are in Jordan. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell below so you get regular updates. Thanks so much for watching.